To add another user to your Pro-vue NVR, click on the icon in the lower left-hand corner and select Setup. You'll need to log in with the NVR's current password. Then select Multi-user under the System category. Select the second user or the third, whichever one, and then hit User Edit on the right. You'll need to enable this account, and then you can set a username and password for this new user. When creating the password, it has to be at least medium strength. So as you're typing it in, the bar has to change from red to yellow to be accepted. If it stays red, then it will not accept that password. You'll need to provide the administrator password in order to create this new user. Once it's been created, you can click on the gear under Permission to the right of User Edit. On this screen, you can specify what exact permissions or access this user has to the system, as well as which specific channels that they can view live, playback, or control if it's a PTZ. Once those permissions have been set, you can hit Apply at the bottom to save those settings.